Hi Leo, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for September 2014. Leos, we begin this month with three planets that are going to get activated. We have the gorgeous Venus, and she's going to be transiting Virgo. We then have Mars that is going to be transiting Sagittarians. We wrap up the month with Pluto that is going direct on the 22nd. Now we begin the month with the lovely Venus, and she's going to be transiting a part of your chart that has to do with money. It has to do with your self-worth. It has to do with where it is and how it is. You view yourself in life, how it is that you feel secure, or what is it that makes you feel secure. So a lot of you are going to be attracted to things that are familiar. You're not really going to be seeking much adventure, and that is what makes you feel secure. In fact, people who are familiar, or even as far as I would say newer relationships are concerned, for those of you who are single, yes, the thrill of it will be there, but there will be a sense of wanting to go back to the known, the familiar, and be among people who make you feel wanted, who appreciate you for who you are, and with whom you share the same values. So this month is quite a contrast. A part of you is wanting to chase and have the thrill and so on and so forth, and not miss out on the fun. But then there is a larger part of you, that's the core inside of you, which would want to be among people, be with people who make you feel worthy. And even though this house really has to do with your earned income, it has to do with investments, with money, but it is really about self-worth. It is how it is that you, or where it is that you peg yourself, Leos, or how it is that you think that, or what is your worth, where it is that you put yourself in life, and what is the value that you put yourself at. And all these issues stem from self-worth. So money has a very, in the tangible sense, has very less to do with this. Quite an interesting thought. You may find yourself in a situation which is a blend of financial and social or public affairs, and you could be dealing with a lot of people in this realm itself. So it could be for work, it could be for negotiation, and it could be done in a social platform, so to speak. Now Mars enters Sagittarius in week 2, and Mars is entering a part of your chart that has to do with romance. It has to do with creativity, and a lot of you are going to be feeling or seeking people quite actively who can lend their creativity to you. A lot of you are also yourself going to be looking for creative options to deal with your work. It's a brilliant time to be spending with your children, and you would be feeling quite energetic. A lot of you will be letting the inner child outside to play. So a lot of fun times, Leos. Also with Martian energy being there, be a little careful that you don't come across as too aggressive. It's love and romance and creativity and all is good, but try not to sort of sound too pompous, arrogant, or roughshod over people, which I think seems to be a constant advice for Leos in most of my videos. But with Mars, that is what it tends to do. It is just going to come and make you feel in charge of your personal situation. You may or may not be in reality, but you would want to sort of get a commitment. You wouldn't be that weary of commitment this month, Leos. I think a lot of you are looking for depth. A lot of you are looking for even amongst friendships, I think a lot of digging is there. You are going to be looking or seeking people, friends, personal relationships, business partnerships, people who are there for good, not just fair weather friends. So a lot of separating the wheat from the chaff is going to be happening, Leos. For those of you who are single, it's a good chance that you're going to be meeting somebody whom you will date for quite some time. So brilliant time for finding new suitors. Your love life is also going to get stepped a notch up, and you are going to be really in this very benign, loving, romantic, generous, gregarious mood, and you're really going to be going out and pampering your special someone. You could also may become drawn to alternative health matters at this point of time, but at work, however, is something that you need to be focusing on, and this happens towards the end of the month, and this is when Pluto goes direct around the 22nd. Now, Pluto is a planet of transformation, and Pluto is a planet of truth, and it really works in extreme, in generally speaking. So either it really supports you or makes things really lovely and nice and grand, or it just sort of changes the situation for you. This is happening in a part of your chart that has to do with your health. It has to do with your day-to-day chores, your routine work, and Pluto is going to be making you look very deeply. I think you want to be thinking about your health, or generally of the health of people around you quite seriously. I think for it could be a cause of concern, and you could make some changes to your health finally. High time, Leos. I've been saying this for the beginning of 2013 now. And as I mentioned, you could be drawn to some form of an alternate either medication or form of exercise. Maybe some of you will discover yoga, meditation, and you could find that it fits quite well with I know of a lot of people who are simply allergic to going to gyms. Pluto is going to make you dig deeper. I think it's going to bring out all the deep-seated fears that are there in your mind. It's just going to bring it out more in the front, and you're going to be sort of sitting and thinking, and hence the action will get taken. Also, Pluto, whether you like it or not, brings change in your life. So the best thing is that you go along with Pluto. And as far as your work is concerned, Leos, try not to get into power struggles this month, and especially towards the end of the month. This is 22nd onwards. Try not to get into arguments, and generally, I won't say throwing your weight around, but it seems to be that the situation is you don't have much of a say, Leos. First of all, let me begin with saying that. So in this particular situation that is there at workplace, you do not have much of a say. So the most gracious thing to do is to go along with it and let the change or whatever that needs to get done or needs to happen, let it sort of evolve organically, rather than you're throwing a big fit or trying to manipulate things the other way, because it would just make you look extremely foolish. So do not do that. Overall, a decent month. You start off with, like I said, and the trend has started for you since August. So 2 months of love and romance and creativity. Make full use of it, Leos, because end of the month, Pluto is going to come back and ask you to have a look at your day-to-day chores, which may be things that you've just been neglecting around house, and your diet, your health, and things that you really need to be, and stuff that you have been thinking about. It's nothing new to you, Leos. It's been there at the back of your mind, but maybe you just don't worry, or you don't do anything about it. So have a great September. I'll see you again in October, and thank you so much for watching.